Organic poultry farming, is it worth the investment? Welcome to our channel. In today's video, organic poultry farming, is it worth for your investment? We dive into the world of organic poultry farming, exploring its benefits, challenges, and financial viability. Whether you are considering transitioning to organic methods or are curious about the viability, about the potential returns, this comprehensive guide will provide you with the insights needed to make informed decisions. Stay with us as we uncover how organic poultry farming can lead to increased production, profitability, and long-term wealth. Segment number 1, understanding organic poultry farming. We begin by defining organic poultry farming, which emphasizes natural methods, animal welfare, and sustainability. According to the United States Department of Agriculture, organic poultry must have access to the outdoors, be fed 100% organic feed, and be free from synthetic hormones and antibiotics. The key points here are animal welfare. Chickens are provided with outdoor access, promoting natural behaviors and improving overall health. Looking at feed standards, use of organic feed free from GMOs and synthetic additives ensures a healthier product. And then health practices. Prohibition of antibiotics and synthetic hormones aligns with consumer demand for natural products. Segment number 2, financial viability and profitability. Transitioning to organic poultry farming involves initial investments, but can lead to higher profits. A study comparing organic and conventional broiler production found that while organic meat costs 70 to 86% more to produce, it can be sold at twice the price, resulting in a net income of 0.5 euro per kilogram, which is 180% higher than conventional methods. The key points here are cost analysis. Higher production costs are offset by premium prices. Market demand. Consumers are willing to pay more for organic, ethically produced meat. And then long-term gains. Sustainable practices can lead to increased demand and profitability over time. Segment number 3, best practices for organic poultry farming. Implementing best practices is crucial for success. This includes providing adequate outdoor space, maintaining low stocking density, and ensuring high-quality organic feed. Additionally, establishing preventive health care measures and adhering to organic certification standards are also vital. Key points here are outdoor access, whereby you ensure compliance with organic standards and promote animal welfare. Stocking density, you need lower densities to reduce stress and diseases, aligning with organic principles. And then feed quality, use organic feed that support health and meet certification requirements. Segment number 4, overcoming challenges. Organic poultry farming presents challenges such as higher feed costs, labor intensity, and the need for certification. For instance, financial performance for a small organic broiler flock showed net cash income ranging from $5,116 to $6,616 in the first year, highlighting both the potential and the challenges involved. Key points here includes cost management, whereby you need strategic planning to handle higher initial expenses. Looking at labor requirements, there is increased labor which may need for more management and certification processes. There is also market fluctuation. Staying informed about market trends helps in pricing and demand forecasting. Segment number 5, maximizing production and profits. To enhance production and profitability, you need to diversify income streams. Consider offering value-added products like organic eggs or processed meats. Use direct marketing. Engage with the consumers through farmers markets or subscription models to capture premium prices, and then do continuous education. Stay updated with organic farming techniques and market trends to adapt and thrive. Therefore, organic poultry farming offers a promising avenue for those seeking sustainable and profitable agricultural practices. While the initial investment may be higher, the potential for increased income through premium pricing and a growing market demand for organic products makes it a worthwhile endeavor. By adhering to best practices, understanding the financial aspects, and overcoming inherent challenges, farmers can reap the benefits of organic poultry farming. Thank you for joining us in exploring the potential of organic poultry farming. We hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you make informed decisions about your farming ventures. Remember, success in organic farming requires dedication, knowledge, and commitment to sustainable practices. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content on sustainable farming, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. We would love to hear about your experiences or plans in organic poultry farming. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for being part of our community. For further insights and inspiration on excellence and maximizing production and profits on poultry farming, consider subscribing to our channel again for instant notification about our latest videos, and watching more of our videos shown on the screen here and in the link provided in the description below. Remember to leave your comments, and in case you want us to make a video or discussions on any topic of your interest, write your request on the comment section below, and we shall be happy to handle that. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.